Listen, the Firebird is singing to Rocket.
She still has some music power left. And she's giving it to Rocket.
We can help too. Let's give Rocket music power so he can break the spell.
And save Firebird.
I know. I can play the violin to give Rocket music power. Play your violin with me. It's working. He's flying higher.
And look. Here come the instruments.
They're helping too.
Pumba, where's the grub? You just can't help yourself, can you?
Sorry.
Okay, but this time show a little self-control.
I can help too. I can sing to give Rocket music power.